Ebusia ha attention TV so ma hokaba emfa emra so na me ka attention TV oh Facebook YouTube okoya attention TV pacho mo bin subscribe on follow on like na on comment and so emfa emma me Ghana memu ha say akoye dunya amana say a video trendy social media so any obi a you can say outside base manner or back to Ghana or then back 8 years akoji sikegru Ghana ha asanso ayede akoye say de kame akoye say emebunu ene mayo awesiso ne sikegru ana dwuso ana wonena ma wode pesika ene yawi ya ana wonama kire say we want to get money quick money ana wonam so what diska Ghana so akoye den mama kai said that me traffic mu na me church mu na me pebo fruit bi e de awe ata me na so na de me to me one city ato bo fruit one city abo fruit wise ma me but say e jai bo fruit one city che e 2 cities that is say no bibi e Ghana memu ha say e kosoro ama say na busia for relationship kra no ne bo ayed he says oh yes single ana say no onya wale na onim say open relationship mu brother ene sa mani sam ne de emfakra enko na Ghana ye de ma yin said Yvonne Nelson eka ho asem Yvonne Nelson akoye obi a yen ka ne say MPP amemu eba so na ka me akoye say ne wo promise ye nyina no wonfa emaye Yvonne Nelson eye attempt bi e wo social media ndi o kana adwen sa na eko na enen so ode foforo aba on say Ghana memo ha say obi kura kowia ne mame 20 pesos ne eche no se ma ye bonsa obi akofo ni kunachi anane mprechi ama ya che no so ode ko bonsa enen Yvonne Nelson ede foforo ede abeto ne Twitter page na we ana wosie I say from the comments you would understand why the people keep suffering. The people themselves pamper politicians. I guess you all deserve how they treat you there. I pray you receive sense. I will block you if you bring your partisan self here. Osanso Echo said, you think Satan is on earth making your life difficult? It is a politician. I can assure you of that. Naturally, say Yvonne Nelson H. the Matra. Or no, the unblaming polity, unblaming bone. Some of you say, Sana Debia, yes, Bonsana, Bonsame. Both fruits, no boy, I drink as they put to see electricity, and also suffer on some who beg. It's a cocoa crying, share 1 city. 1 city 50 pesos, the big crowd quiet, she 2 cities, a 2 city near shame. What a crab, Yato beans, any and more the Africa, the same 2 city crane. It's a 5 cities, 3 cities, 4 cities. Not as a Ghana, I dare mistake, Ubia Eka, Jenny Rapra, Eka Segana, I day. Now ye war American based actor. Oh, ye Ghana near a sincere comedian, a Dodona Nimino, and as indeed any Michael Blackson. Michael Blackson, Eddie in Sembi Abbott to Jasso, Eddie a Fagana, dear, I na Branty, Echimoa. Hey, how no need any gradius, on which them on Yama or Towa US no crano, or Towa Ghana memo has said to me to more over US. I was here, Sanso or no, so adequate on the wallpaper, the Twitter wall page, so Yanko, Nayanko Klein. I say, come on, Ghana, why are things so damn expensive? I just tried to buy furniture and appliances and they are over twice the price of what they cost me in the US. I love my continent, but we have to do better to help our people. I found out that the other day the little girls in the remote areas cannot afford tampons or pads, so they drop out of school because they are embarrassed to bleed around boys. Osanso Echo said, I have tweeted 1,000 times about my problem with America and no one cared. I have tweeted 5 times about my problem with Ghana and it ended up on the news. LOL, laugh out loud. Would like to know my people care about my opinion. Now on also Chirima. Say no crowd bag Ghana Hano say no so top furniture. Belenda, we are blending no to be rice or to be. Auto Hano say na Coco US, Cobina no more. The Sobina Baco any account that say Anagana, I let them papa pay. Way Anna Sanso Echiro say, Ekamia say, no tree to Moana Simreka crane. A young shoe any problem or force or face it. Oh, US so ever on the Twitter wall page now so Ghana for Breno. One side and commenting and so can Ghana then they said Ghana the only that you were association of commentators and you know. Oh yeah, the only grab a to her crab. Rebecca say train the crowd so and say unya na public transport na ye church mu na wo ka say aban we pa ene ekufu ado aban obohu mates ko this kind of show obia purchase to say trend e wo ga na memu ha say agrada mu nsensem no kura emba e ho ana ye take time e de ko share comment e say na Michael Blackson e kan no wakasa about 1,000 times about America na to Ghana memu ha say just 5 times that who say obia e kan wasem yenko kan problems ni bia Ghana for bi so wo face e wo Ghana memu ha no say was watch them say Ghana ayedin krase ebo we SC and we are going to say these things so that kingdom come and you know why citizens are cheating themselves. They will later blame the government. I agree with you. The government is not doing well. May say the citizens are more greedy than the leaders. You will go to the electrical wholesale and buy something for 20 cedis and you sell it for 60 cedis. After this, what do you expect? The same way cassava seller is doing the same, rice seller, okra seller, apple seller, mention them. We are all cheating ourselves and still crying not to be juju be that. Wait, my problem is rent too. Now we will all go and stay in the forest because we also say blame the sellers. Everyone have their own price. Even if the item are even old and full increases, they will still increase them. We are killing our own selves. No government will change the country if we don't change our attitude with our evil selfish interests. We see a day is coming where people will run from the cities to live in the remote areas. I say go be cry I 15 cities. Gobe utimi to gobe 2 cities. Koko 2 cities. Mama me pega be just put 2. I'm on 4 cities. They say go be cry 15 cities. I'm on Sanbo for. Wait, as I say here they look at you and give you a prize. You should have sent a child. Wait, and to go back to America, has anyone asked you to stay in Ghana? What contribution have you made for Ghana? Talk as if you are the only one living in America. Okay. He's just ranting. You don't expect someone to go buy furniture from the United States or wherever, then bring it to this country, pay duty and still sell it at the same price. It's true. Wait, and to say we need more people like you to talk for us. What is it doing to help us? Wait, and to say if you complain, Yano will say the hardship is everywhere and they will tag you as so party. Me, I'm moving from Ghana to Sunya. Laugh out loud. Wait, and to say for her everything then settings big man, then the price, poor man, then in price. And to wait say we here now for try no price and as soon as can so a price. Wait, as I say he's right, but it depends on the kind of item. Now America and UK are also too expensive, everything double. How on earth do you expect to buy appliances in Ghana at the same price as in America? Tell this fella that the cost of living is hell in London and other parts of Britain, just like Ghana. Comments been Ghana for Association of Commentators or look at Michael Blackson and comments no I say and I'm making kind at the war. As you go back to Yvonne Nelson Dena only the wood chima Ghana memo has said the ayed papa ye and until ebusia and fan koshebon some to say near chikrophobia or Ghana memo has said that's all the koshebon so much as say or you greedy because bonsam enya anything to do with Kobe. A man time for boys ye diane when you send Kobe dear. What's me trying and passes it's me dinner the next go to me the fasting. I will see her and then me day in some na it be social media trends and I'm gonna be some more about attention TV so macro.